Hi there, I want to talk a little bit about our steamers. There are quite a few different ones and they look kind of stackable like that. But my favorite is the round one. As you can see, I have two. They do stack nicely into each other. It is a really good sturdy one. It does do a full chicken. Popcorn is my favorite thing to do with it. And it can go in the oven or the oven or the microwave 425 degrees. So if you are a oven person, baker, or anything like that, slow cooker, any kind of this works great for that as well. It's also great in the microwave to cut down time for everything like a chicken, potatoes, vegetables, popcorn, less mess for all of that. And what else? Rice, noodles, everything. I did a full thing of package of rice noodles in here. You can do rice, you just leave the lid off to cook. There is like a PDF telling you the timings and how much to put in for everything, like vegetables, the rice, the pasta, everything like that, chicken, anything you might want to make. One pot wonders, any of our one pot wonders where you throw it all in and there you go. This one's great for it. You can also do the same thing with our multi-purpose one as well. But if you are into baking and loaves, this is a perfect one for that. But yeah, the multi-purpose one actually has a tray where you can take it out and do bacon or potatoes or do double layer. So yeah, it's a quick little rundown of all of our cool steamers that have all different uses for it. If you're looking to just have one the best one for you, personally, I probably would do the round or the multi-purpose, so that way you can go big or small. And yeah, it doesn't take up a lot of space and easy to clean, goes in the dishwasher, microwave, oven, and you're good to go.